Hi there, I'm Telecom Tim from JD Young. In today's episode, we're going to bust another telecom myth. Myth number 4. Cloud-based voice-over IP phone systems have a high cost of entry due to the cost of phones, licensing, and commitment to have a certain number of phones running well into the future, all while being locked into features available at the time of sign-up. Truth. A cloud-based voice-over IP system has the lowest cost of entry because you don't have to lease or purchase any on-site servers to run your phone system. Accessing a cloud-based phone system is as easy as plugging a phone into the internet. There's never a price hike due to equipment or system upgrades. You reap the benefits of a perpetually updated system. No server? No problem. There you have it, another myth busted. Stay tuned as we bust more telecom myths in coming episodes. You can also learn more at jdyoung.com. Tell them Telecom Tim sent you.